Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello, Jeep enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Wrangler backseat. This simple modification can significantly increase your cargo space. To begin, open your tailgate and ensure the rear cargo area is completely clear of any obstructions. You'll also want to slide your front seats as far forward as possible. Always check your owner's manual for model-specific details, as some variations may require different steps or tools. Safety first, so take your time. Now let's get that seat folded. Look for a release strap or lever, usually found on the top or side of the rear seat. Give that a firm pull to release the seat back, allowing it to fold down flat. With the seat back folded, you can then push the entire seat assembly forward, engaging its tumble feature. Make sure it's fully upright and securely positioned against the front seats, giving you better access to the base. With the seat tumbled forward, look down at the bottom front edge. You should see two metal release bars running across. These are the key to freeing your seat. Squeeze both of these bars firmly together. This action disengages the clamps that secure the seat to the floor. It might take a bit of effort to release both sides at once. Remember, some Jeep models, especially four-door versions, may have bolts requiring an 18mm socket and a breaker bar. With the latches released, it's time for the final step. Carefully lift the entire seat assembly upwards and then pull it backwards, away from the vehicle. Be aware that the rear seat can be quite bulky and weigh approximately 70 to 80 pounds, so having a second person to help is highly recommended. Gently maneuver it out through the rear opening, taking care not to scratch any paint. Store your seat in a safe, dry location until you need it again. Enjoy your newfound cargo space.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.